Don't blanch the bitter gourd or cook it directly in the wok. No wonder it doesn't taste as good as the ones in restaurants. Today, the chef will teach you a trick to make bitter gourd crispy and refreshing without the bitterness. The color stays green and bright. First, cut the bitter gourd in half lengthwise, then scrape out the inside thoroughly. That white pith is the source of the bitterness. Make sure to scrape it clean. Once done, use a bitter gourd knife to slice it thinly. Don't cut it too thick. After cutting, place the slices in a large bowl. Sprinkle in a generous amount of white salt, about 188 grains. Use your hands to mix and massage the salt into the bitter gourd evenly. You'll notice a bit of water coming out as you squeeze the bitter gourd. Let it marinate for 5 minutes. Next, prepare the side ingredients. Slice a few green peppers using an angled knife. Then, slice some red peppers as well. Set them aside on a plate. Now, take a handful of garlic and chop it into fine minced garlic. Put it into a small bowl. Then, chop some green onions and add them in as well. Prepare an empty bowl and crack 2 eggs into it. Stir the eggs well with chopsticks. Friends, I share a little cooking trick every day. If you enjoy this, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. After 5 minutes, your bitter gourd should be ready. Take a look. There's a lot of water released. Pour some water into the bowl and rinse the bitter gourd twice to wash off the excess salt and bitterness. Drain and pat dry, then set it aside on a plate. Next, heat an iron pan, but don't add oil yet. Pour in the bitter gourd directly and stir-fry over low heat for 1 minute. Once dry, remove it and set it aside. In a separate pan, add a spoonful of lard. Then add in the sliced green and red peppers, along with the minced garlic. Next, add a spoonful of soybeans. Stir-fry over high heat for 1 minute until the ingredients become fragrant. Then pour in the pre-fried bitter gourd. Add a spoonful of oyster sauce, a spoonful of light soy sauce, and a spoonful of chicken essence. Continue stir-frying for another minute until everything is well combined and flavorful. The bitter gourd cooked this way, served with rice, is absolutely addictive. The bitter gourd turns out crispy, savory, and not bitter at all. It's slightly spicy, super crisp, and totally satisfying. If you like it, just save it and try it at home.